Okay, here's the revised layout. Some of the changes are, I've gone over this a couple times, but we're still working it out. So glass doors, and my recommendation is just to go straight back. So this is the cabinet that would be cut back as shown here. For this cabinet here, drawer stack, that's a triangular shape. This one would be pretty much go straight back with the exception of this corner being cut off. And same thing with this cabinet. I'm just missing a corner here. And on the other side, we have this cabinet that's angled and this cabinet that is angled as shown. Trash pull out has been taken out. It was here, and you're just going to put a can under the sink. Other than that, those are the changes that we have. So let me know what you think of that, and we can go from there. Thank you.